What's up, guys? It's your boy Billy Torr here. And today we're going to speak about the 5 pillars of success and what you need to have a successful online business. Now, mind you, I couldn't really write it out on my whiteboard, but there's going to be a text right over it so you guys can read and understand fully. But the first one we're going to do right after this intro, so stay tuned.
This is my home. They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here. They're gonna need to send in the National Guard or fucking SWAT team, because I ain't going
Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to speak about the 5 pillars of success. The first one we're going to speak about today is you guys probably know, digital content. Digital content. Now, why is this the first pillar and why is it important? We're going to break it down because basically, your customer wants to see the journey, they want to see the solution you provide, the problem you're solving, all that through online social media, because everybody in today's day is on social media, no matter the platform. So the first thing we're going to go over with digital content is social media. All right. Now, the platforms you have to utilize and what's working best right now, you already know, TikTok. All right. So social media platforms is TikTok is the number one right now. Everybody and their mama is on TikTok. And not only that is where the easiest where you can get traffic and go viral for your business, for the problem you're solving. So that's going to lead to the next thing. How do you use TikTok? How do you use social media? All right, we're going to get into that in a second, but we're going to go over all the social media platform. So the next one on the list is YouTube. I'm going to use abbreviation. You guys should know by now the different type of platforms. So you got TikTok and YouTube. Now, what comes off the YouTube? Understand that Google owns YouTube. So that's that. But the next one on the list is Instagram. All right. So on the social media, you got TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. So what's next? What other platforms should we use, Billy, for our business? Facebook. You got it. So Facebook. Facebook is basically where you could create a group. Facebook, utilize Facebook group, live streaming, all that. So for social media, you got TikTok, YouTube, IG, and Facebook. And there's one more if you're business to business that you should utilize. Now that's going to be LinkedIn. All right. So there you have it. There's 5 platforms that you could utilize for your business. So for social media, which is an important component to digital content. So what's next? Off. So we're going to branch off a little bit over here and we're going to talk about videos. All these content need video content. All these platforms need video content. And there's different types of video content. So there is Reels. Okay. YouTube Shorts. Long form videos, which long form videos is more educational and the problem you're solving. So that's that. YouTube Shorts is YouTube Shorts. Reels and YouTube Shorts are the same thing. Reels is just for Facebook and Instagram. All right. So you got Reels, YouTube Shorts, long form videos, and live streaming. So these are the different types of video content that you must utilize for your business. And live streaming is more to connect with your customer, understand their objections, understand the problem that you're solving so they can understand you more and you can understand your customer more in order to better the product and service. All right. Long form video is mostly for educational purposes, coaching purposes, whatever it may be. YouTube Shorts is, get right to the topic. Short, our attention span is short, so you want to hit them right where it hurts. Hey, you have an objection, emotional trigger. If you're dealing with this problem, then you need to know this. Bam, 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 ABC. Same thing as Reel. So these are the different types of video content that you guys need to utilize for the social media platform, which connects to the digital content. So this connects over here with digital content. All right. So the next one on the list is going to be blogs. Blogs are like articles, newsletters, anything forming a textual base. So what I love about blogs, and guys, all this we're going to get right in our masterclass. We get right to the gritty on which platform to use based off your business, which live stream platform you should use, what type of articles, blogs, newsletters you should use, all that good stuff. So if you want us to get more into detail, then join our masterclass. It's going to be in the description below so we can get into detail for each pillar. And I'm going to keep saying that for the 5 pillars, for each pillar we go for the 5 pillars of success, because it's vitally important you guys join the masterclass to get a system which saves yourself time, energy, and money. So let's go back to it. We got blogs. One thing I like about blogs is you can turn videos into blogs. You can transcribe the videos, fix it up, use AI, which we'll talk. I don't want to move ahead of myself, but we can turn videos into blog content into blogs. All right. So that's that. So the next one on the list is live streaming, which is important, which we went over, but live streaming could be used on any of these platforms, but there's a special platform that you would like to use in order to not only capitalize and monetize on it, but target different audiences. So for live stream, you got Twitch, which is known for their live streaming. So that's pretty much it for the first pillar of success. You have, for digital content, you have social media platforms, which is LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, IG, Facebook, and Twitch. Then you got blogs. That's, your live people like TechShoe, and you have videos. Why is this? It looks like it's all over, but we're gonna organize. I'm lefty. So, but why is all these important? You want to meet your customer where they're at. Some customers would rather read than just watch videos. Some customers rather watch long form videos and get into details. Some customers just want to get right into the point and just, I don't want to waste all this time. My time, is sensitive. So you hit them Reels and YouTube Shorts. So understand the first pillar of success. Yes, there's a way to automate and systemize this so you're not all over the place. You could take one long form video and make it into a YouTube short, into a reel, and into a blog for all the platform. All right, for long form video, as well as live stream. Another thing about live stream, you get to interact with your customers live. They're gonna ask you questions, you're gonna answer them, you're gonna get to learn your objective, all that and more. And then that live stream is gonna be pre-recorded, and then you could turn that live stream into a long form video, into YouTube shorts, YouTube reels, article, blogs, and then put them all through the platform for your business. So that's it for the first pillar of success, guys. So stay tuned for the second pillar of my next video, because they are going to be long and some of the pillars are going to be longer. So guys, if this helped you out, subscribe, follow, go through the descriptions to join the masterclass, the Torrpreneur masterclass, to show you the right platform to use for your business and how to automate everything and learn, get into depth and more details for each pillar of success. So you heard it here, Billy Torr. See you in the next video.
I'm the champ. I built the brand from the dirt like the champ. I'm about to show the people what I'm worth like the champ.